Hello, welcome to my channel, Juicy News, hot news all time. This is Prophet Daniel Amoateng, head pastor of the Power of Worship International Church, who prophesied about Tracy's marriage. If this is the first time you are watching my video or visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to be the first person to watch when I upload a new video. In the video circulating on social media, the prophet was heard telling Tracy Kwame Despite, or now Mrs. Tracy Osei, young girl, I prophesy over your destiny, no more disappointment. You will be one of the people that your marriage will be nice. Your marriage will be so good. May there be no contention. He said this in the presence of his congregation. Whilst many believed it was true, there was another group of people who doubted the accuracy of the prophecy, as it generated a heated conversation on Ghana's social media. In an exclusive interview with the prophet, he said the prophecy was made in 2nd of November 2019. He restated that Tracy is not a member of his church and has only visited his testimony city only once, that was the day she received her prophecy. He gave further explanation saying, "It was one Saturday service, our prophetic service. After preaching you go in there. You say that this is going to happen, and I gave a prophecy to the lady. It was later on a day to the wedding that one of my pastors told me the Despite's son that is going to marry, there was a girl who came to the church. And she is the one you prophesied to. It was her, Tracy, first time of coming to my church." In addition to that, he said he had no contact with Tracy's mother either before or after the wedding. "I don't know Tracy's mother. I have never met her before," he stressed. When probed further, he had a message for critics who doubted his prophecy. When the people say it's not true, our mindset has been programmed that God cannot work and God doesn't still have prophets. Because how can one say the prophecy is not true? There are people who have received prophecy and didn't happen. Some people have dated for 8 years, but nothing has happened. But it shows you that people don't really trust the power of God. And I don't blame them. I'm sure they have been getting prophecies and none of them are coming to pass. He added that the day he gave the prophecy was the first time he met Osei Kwame Despite's daughter-in-law. "We don't know the mother, and the lady too, that was her first time coming to the church. The couples are now on their honeymoon somewhere, is expected to visit the man of God on their return." Meanwhile, Kennedy Osei may still be struggling to agree with terms that his life has become one of public interest just like any other celebrity. The first son of Ghanaian business mogul, Dr. Osei Kwame Despite, wasn't much known until his extravagant wedding to Tracy, which turns out to be the most talked about wedding ceremony in Ghana because of the opulence of the nuptials that happened a week ago. Kennedy and Tracy's fame on social media quadrupled after their wedding. Ken, who has about 9,000 followers on his private Instagram account, gathered over 50,000 followers a few hours when he made his account public after his wedding. Tracy has also seen such significant increase of people following her Instagram. Her followers shot from 9,000 to over 67,000 currently. With all these giving the signal that the public wants to see more into their lives, the young couple, however, appear not to be down for the celebrity kind of public life. In a video of the couple driving with a paparazzi hanging around them during their wedding ceremony, Ken spoke to one of the bloggers, telling him that they don't want a public life. "We want a private life. You are coming to give us public life," he said in Twitter. The blogger replied, "You are now a celebrity couple," and Kennedy responded, "We beg you people," and drove off in a Rolls-Royce with his newly married wife. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.